Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, open our Roblox account. So I'm going to use my Roblox account right here through Roblox website. So once you're now here, what we're going to do next is to go into the upper right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. After that, click on settings. And then once you click that, in this part on the account info, you should add an email. Then same goes for the age group. So your age group should be at least 18 years old for you to be able to voice chat on Roblox. Now, to verify your age, all you have to do is to check your age right here to get more features. So you can either continue with camera or continue with an ID. So I'm just going to click on continue with camera right here and then click on continue. And then after that, just click on continue once again. After that, just click on OK once they estimated your age. So just click on OK right there and then click on OK. After that, once your age has been verified, we're now going to add some email right here. Now, once the email has been verified, what we're going to do next is to go here on the privacy and content restrictions and then click on communication. And then after that, once you're now here, just click on voice data usage and then make sure that voice data for product improvements is turned on. After that, on the search bar, just search for mic up so that we can try if the voice chat is working. So we're going to play this game right here. After that, as you can see, we now have this icon right here. If you don't see it right here, what we're going to do is to just click on the Roblox icon and then go here on the settings. And then on the voice chat, what we're going to do is to make sure that it is connected, which is right here. So after that, just click on resume. And then if you click this, you will unmute yourself. So that is basically it.